Imagine you're aboard a flight, cruising high above the Atlantic Ocean. The skies are clear, and everything seems normal. But as your plane approaches an invisible boundary in the sea, strange things start happening. The instruments fail, the radio cuts out, and then, without warning, the plane vanishes without a trace. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, a place shrouded in mystery, fear, and endless questions. What lies beneath the surface of this infamous region? Is it a natural anomaly, or something far more sinister? Stay with us as we uncover the chilling truth behind the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, often called the Devil's Triangle, is a loosely defined region in the North Atlantic Ocean. Its 3 points connect Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, forming a triangle that spans up to 1.5 million square miles. For decades, this area has been infamous for the mysterious disappearances of ships and aircraft. But what makes this region so deadly? Why do so many stories of tragedy and terror emerge from these waters? Let's dive into the origins of this enigma. The mystery of the Bermuda Triangle gained public attention in the 20th century. It all started in 1950, when Edward Van Winkle Jones wrote an article for the Miami Herald, highlighting unusual disappearances in the area. 2 years later, George X's article in Fate magazine detailed several incidents, sparking more intrigue. But it wasn't until 1964, when writer Vincent Gaddis coined the term Bermuda Triangle in Argosy magazine, that the legend truly took off. Since then, countless books, documentaries, and films have fueled the fascination, often blurring the line between fact and fiction. The triangle's allure is not just about disappearances. It's also about the eerie sense of mystery it exudes. For centuries, sailors and navigators reported strange lights in the sky, compass malfunctions, and other phenomena. As trade and travel increased in the region, so did the stories of its dangers. Today, the Bermuda Triangle is a staple of pop culture and folklore, captivating audiences worldwide. Among the most chilling tales are the unexplained vanishings of ships and planes in the Bermuda Triangle. Flight 19, 1945, a squadron of 5 U.S. Navy bombers disappeared during a training mission. Despite ideal weather conditions, the planes lost radio contact and were never seen again. Even more baffling, a rescue plane sent to search for them also vanished. Witnesses reported strange weather patterns and electrical malfunctions during the search. USS Cyclops, 1918. This U.S. Navy cargo ship, carrying over 300 men and 10,000 tons of manganese, disappeared without a trace while sailing from Barbados to Baltimore. No distress signal was ever sent, and no wreckage was found. To this day, it remains one of the largest non-combat losses of life in U.S. Navy history. Star Tiger and Star Ariel, 1948-1949. These British South American Airways planes vanished on separate flights, leaving no clues as to what happened. Both disappearances occurred under mysterious circumstances, with pilots reporting unusual turbulence before losing contact. Douglas DC-3, 1948. A commercial airliner disappeared en route from Puerto Rico to Miami, carrying 32 passengers and crew. Despite an exhaustive search, no wreckage was ever located. Witnesses on the ground claimed to see strange lights in the sky that night. SS Marine Sulphur Queen, 1963. This tanker ship, carrying molten sulfur, vanished with 39 crew members on board. Investigators found debris believed to be from the ship, but the exact cause of its disappearance remains unknown. These cases are just the tip of the iceberg. Each disappearance adds another layer to the mystery, leaving behind grieving families and unanswered questions. The Bermuda Triangle's dark reputation has caused widespread fear and speculation. For years, it has captured the public imagination, spawning countless theories. While some see it as a dangerous zone, others dismiss it as overblown media sensationalism. The legend has also had real-world consequences. Insurance companies have debated higher premiums for vessels operating in the area, and tourism to the region often comes with an eerie fascination. But what's the truth behind these mysteries? Some travelers deliberately avoid routes that pass through the triangle, while others are drawn to it as a challenge. The mystery has even inspired scientific missions to study the region, hoping to uncover the truth. Despite its reputation, the Bermuda Triangle remains a critical passage for shipping and air travel, making its impact on global commerce significant. While the disappearances seem otherworldly, science offers plausible explanations. Magnetic anomalies. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. This phenomenon, called the agonic line, can disrupt navigation systems, leading to confusion and disaster. Sailors and pilots often report compass malfunctions when entering the area, which can result in fatal navigational errors. Methane hydrates. Large deposits of methane gas on the ocean floor could suddenly erupt, reducing water density and causing ships to sink rapidly. Laboratory experiments have shown that such eruptions can indeed make a ship lose buoyancy in seconds. Weather patterns. The triangle is prone to sudden storms, hurricanes, and rogue waves, all of which can spell doom for unsuspecting vessels and aircraft. Satellite imagery has revealed hexagonal-shaped clouds in the area, capable of producing powerful downdrafts and waves up to 45 feet high. Human error. Many incidents can be attributed to simple navigational mistakes or equipment failures. The vastness of the ocean and the unpredictability of nature play significant roles. With such heavy traffic in the region, it's not surprising that accidents occur. These scientific theories provide rational answers, but they're not enough to satisfy everyone. The Bermuda Triangle's allure lies in the unexplained. For those who believe there's more to the story, the Bermuda Triangle is a hotspot for paranormal activity. Atlantis technology. Some theorists claim that the lost city of Atlantis lies beneath the triangle, with its advanced technology causing the disturbances. They point to underwater structures found near Bimini as evidence of this ancient civilization's influence. UFOs and alien abductions. Unidentified flying objects are often cited as culprits, abducting ships and planes for unknown reasons. Witnesses have reported strange lights and unexplained phenomena in the skies over the triangle. Time portals. Others suggest that the triangle contains wormholes or time warps, trapping vessels in another dimension. Stories of time distortion and missing hours fuel this theory, making it a favorite among science fiction enthusiasts. While these theories might sound far-fetched, they've captivated millions and added to the triangle's mystique. Despite the hype, many experts remain skeptical. Studies by Lloyd's of London and the US Coast Guard show no greater frequency of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle than in other heavily traveled areas of the ocean. Researcher Larry Kusher's 1975 book debunks many of the myths, attributing incidents to exaggeration, misinformation, or natural causes. The reality is likely less sensational, but no less intriguing. It's also worth noting that advancements in technology have significantly reduced the number of unexplained disappearances in recent years. Modern navigation systems, satellite tracking, and weather forecasting have made travel safer, even in notorious regions like the Bermuda Triangle. So, is the Bermuda Triangle really cursed, or is it a victim of overactive imaginations? While science explains much of the mystery, the allure of the unknown keeps the legend alive. Whether it's magnetic anomalies, violent storms, or the remnants of Atlantis, the Bermuda Triangle continues to be a place where reality and myth collide. One thing is certain: the Triangle's mysteries will captivate us for generations to come. The Bermuda Triangle, a place where answers slip away as easily as the waves. What do you believe? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mysteries from History Unveiled.